Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows Security Center doesn't open. First method is type Windows Security in Windows search bar, right-click Windows Security, click App Settings. Click Reset. Second method is type regedit in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Click and expand HKey Local Machine, click and expand Software, click and expand Policies. Click and expand Microsoft, click and expand Windows Defender. Create new DWORD 32-bit value named as Disable Anti-Spyware, change value data to 0. Restart system. Third method is click Start, Settings, click Recovery. Click Reset PC, click Keep My Files, click Cloud Download. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.